Hello, it's Dr. Clancy again, and I kind of want to give you an overview of the assignments. There's a lot of information here, and I think a lot of it will be better addressed if we have WebEx meetings to walk through it. But let me give you a high-level overview, and we can drill down to the information as the course unfolds. The academic integrity, the student-led seminar. There's a lot of information in here. Please sign up for your groups. There's a wiki. And if you're not signed up by the 17th, I will place you in a group. Here's a template for a teaching plan. And then some VT instructions for voiceover. You can select with your group what trend you want to look at. And as I said, telehealth, IPE, the COVID-19 changes to our profession, how accreditation is changing, how CMS is changing, the HCAPS. There's so many trends to look at that your group can pick one and do the research and do the presentation. I usually learn a lot from when students present here. And then you're going to submit your seminar here, and everybody's going to look at them. But as I said, we will go through this more in detail as the course unfolds, because this is kind of a complex assignment. The other assignments, professional organization, we've talked about that, just a journal. What does it feel like to be learning with a whole bunch of different disciplines? I took a course once that spoke to how we as humans are very much like animals, and animals in their world, they instantly form a ranking of who's got the most power, who sits, who's who, and we do that also as humans. And it's interesting to look at that phenomena when you look at learning in a class with many different disciplines present. Then information on the professional organization. And as I said, if one or two of you want to come to me and use that as your capstone project, that would be perfect. IPE activity. It can be the one that I'm going to let you know about the hospital's putting on, or it can be something in your own world that has different disciplines and you're all learning something together. Writing a letter. This is the elevator speech. How do you sell yourself? And then the capstone project is really quite involved. And what I want you to do is take a look at this part one. A lot of instructions on part one. And I think it's due the 28th of February, so you've got some time. But it kind of walks you through paragraph 1, paragraph 2, paragraph 3. And this really is the architect for your final paper. You have to find a clinical issue, who has control or jurisdiction over that clinical issue, how do you get involved with them, and how do you propose a change in the clinical issue to make it better. And as I said, it's pretty self-explanatory, and I can help you form a PICOS question if you need some help with that, and help you do a lit search if you're not finding a lot of information on your topic. But in here also is the grading, and what I look at and what I comment to. And then down here is the rubric itself. So as I said, it's pretty self-explanatory, but you probably will have some questions, and don't hesitate to ask. And if we need to get together in a WebEx, we certainly can do that. And let me see what else we have under assignments. We do have the poster, and the poster instructions are pretty self-explanatory, where you submit it, the rubric for it, and how to create one. So that's the course, or that's the assignments. Again, don't hesitate to ask questions. I will be as supportive as I possibly can. There is a evaluation mid-course. I'll send out a notice when that's due. Please put your thoughts in there, because if I can change something for the second half of the course to make it more doable, I certainly will. And I'm sure we're going to all do very well in this and be successful. Thank you very much.